The rise in COVID-19 hospitalizations is a story that is playing out in communities all across Texas. It's leading to renewed debate over masks and mask mandates. Just this morning, an appeal was officially filed against the new mask rules in Bexar County. And now a group of parents here in San Antonio say, "My child, my choice." It's happening right now at the Bexar County Courthouse, where a group of parents are protesting mask mandates and the government officials and agencies who are behind those mandates. Alicia Barrera is live from the courthouse, where participants say they want to protect their freedoms.
I thought they were going to come this way.
Ursula, good afternoon. Well, right now things have wrapped up. This protest started around 11 a.m. and it wrapped up 30 minutes beforehand. There were about 40, maybe 50 people here, several children also present, and they were all holding signs, a lot of them with that hashtag, "My child, my choice." The protest did start with a prayer calling for a peaceful protest. It continued with parents stating why they are against masks. They say it's not just about masks, it's about freedom. Their fear is that today it's a mask mandate, and maybe in a few weeks or months, parents would be forced to vaccinate their kids. The chair of the Bexar County Republican Party, Charlotte Williamson Eisenhower, was also present today. She stated she's advocating for choice, saying, "This is not fine. Mask yourself and leave my kids alone," end quote. But this is how Dr. Ruth Drbergen from UT Health San Antonio put it when it comes to parents, children, and masks.
Talk to the kids about masking and tell them that this is just like putting your seatbelt on when you get in the car. It doesn't guarantee you that everything is going to come out fine, but it really increases your safety. And none of us has any problem with putting on a safety belt for a kid. And so nobody should have any problem with putting on a mask.
All right, so that's the perspective of doctor health officials. One mom here, though, Kristen King, she says she has 9 children, and she shared with me she knows what's best for her kids and assures, like any parent, she does have her children's best interest at heart, and that's even when it comes to masks.
I think local authorities need to understand that parents have a choice and they need to keep that choice. Because parents really, truly want what's best for their children. And their children need to know that their parents are going to stand up.
One participant who spoke up today, she admitted that she's actually scared. She was scared to be here today and speak up because she doesn't want to be pushed out of society. Many here cheering to that, saying they've been shamed for their beliefs of not wanting their children to wear masks or themselves wear one. And they know that this fear has spread over the virus. So today what they want is for their bravery. They believe that they have been brave in showing up here today, although they have received a lot of pushback, so that they hope that their bravery today spreads. And this was a peaceful protest in the big scheme of things. There were just a few moments of tension with other people walking by and, of course, shouting their beliefs. And another moment that really shocked people was when one of the participants here ripped up the directive from Dr. John DeWoo, medical director of the San Antonio Metropolitan Health District. But again, these parents really saying that they want the choice. They don't want to co-parent with a government. That's how one of the parents put it here today. Reporting live from the Bexar County Courthouse, Alicia Barrera, KSAT 12 News.